Welcome to St. Kitts. I am excited to show you one of the rooms during my stay at the Marriott Beach Club Resort with some incredible views. After a breathtaking landing at this small but efficient airport in St. Kitts, it's less than 15 minutes to get to the resort. As we make our way there, some quick fun facts. St. Kitts is located at the border of the Atlantic Ocean and Caribbean Sea. It's part of a two-island federation along with its smaller sister island, Nevis. While US dollars are widely accepted throughout the resort and island, I do recommend bringing some Eastern Caribbean dollars, which is their local currency used at the stores across the street from the resort. If you want to see a full resort tour, comment below and be sure to subscribe to see more videos. I'll also add links and contact info for great taxi services that I used during my stay in the description. But for now, I would greatly appreciate you giving this video a like as you enjoy the rest of this ocean view room tour.